remember like walking into a shop and just thinking like, holy cow, this is so cool. I mean, it was just different than anything I'd seen before. I thought it was really neat. I went on the heavy metal tour when I was in high school, and I believe we went when I was in middle school as well. And I think it's really important to get out and just kind of get an idea in your head of what it's like in the real world. Went to the tech for 2 years, got an associate's degree in diesel technology there. Now I'm working at county. There's a lot of stuff I learned here. Troubleshooting and problem solving is really cool. Being able to hear about the problem from the driver and fix the problem and figure out what's going on is really satisfying. Really fun job. There's like some science involved as to what's going on. Communication skills are really big, especially. Definitely a lot of math. You can make a really good living doing it. Definitely not, especially in today's world, getting dirty all the time. There's a lot of computer work, a lot of thinking involved. Really, you like problem solving, like working on stuff. This is an awesome career. Definitely a lot of demand for it. As time goes on, guys are retiring, and we definitely need new guys to do this kind of work.